By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add emojis in Coda using the built-in insert menu, so your documents become more engaging, visually organized, and much easier to scan. Coda is a powerful all-in-one doc platform that blends documents, spreadsheets, and databases, and adding emojis is a deceptively simple way to bring your pages to life, whether you're building a project tracker, a personal journal, or a team wiki. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and head over to coda.io. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and sign in to your Coda account. You can use your preferred method, whether that's Google, Apple, Microsoft, or even a direct email login. Once you're in, you'll land on your home dashboard where all your documents are listed. This is the hub where you manage everything, so take a moment to locate the specific document where you want to add an emoji. Click on it to open it up, and then navigate to the exact page within that document where you'd like the emoji to appear. If you have a multi-page doc, make sure you're on the right tab or subpage before moving forward. Now, here's where the magic happens. Hover your cursor over the page area, anywhere you want to insert the emoji, until you see a small blue or grey add button appear, which is usually shaped like a plus sign. This is your gateway to all the content blocks Coda offers. Click that add button, and it will open what's called the insertion menu. This menu is like a toolbox full of different elements you can drop into your document: text, tables, checklists, images, and of course, emojis. Don't be intimidated by the list. Just scroll down through the drop-down menu until you find the option labeled emoji. It's typically listed under the inline or media section, but you can also type emoji into the search bar at the top of the menu to jump straight to it. Once you spot it, click on it. The emoji picker will then pop open, displaying a whole collection of available emojis organized by categories. You'll see everything from smileys and people to animals, food, travel, objects, and symbols. If you're looking for something specific, like a red heart or a rocket, you can use the search bar at the top of the picker. Just type a keyword like heart or rocket, and the picker will filter results instantly. This is a huge time saver when you're working quickly and don't want to scroll through hundreds of icons. Browse through the categories or use search to find exactly what you need. And when you see the emoji you want, just click on it. Coda will automatically insert that emoji right at your cursor's location in the document as an inline element. That means it sits right alongside your text, not separate from it. So you can use it to accent a heading, mark a bullet point, or add a fun icon next to a table. From here, you can continue adding emojis wherever they make sense. You might use a checkmark emoji next to completed tasks, a star emoji to flag key priorities, or a folder emoji to visually separate different sections of a long document. The beauty is that you can mix and match, but do it thoughtfully. Emojis work best when they serve a purpose. For instance, if you're creating a weekly planning page, adding a calendar emoji next to the date header immediately tells the reader what that section is about, without them having to read a single word. That kind of visual cue speeds up scanning dramatically. Just be careful not to overload your page with too many emojis in one spot. It can make the document feel cluttered and harder to read rather than cleaner. Aim for a balanced, intentional placement. After you've inserted your emojis, take a step back and review the page as a whole. Check that each emoji fits naturally with the content around it, and that the overall appearance looks polished, not chaotic. You can always click on an emoji to delete or replace it if it doesn't feel right. One of the best things about Coda is that it auto-saves your changes continuously as you work. There's no manual save button to hunt for, no risk of losing your emoji additions if you close the tab by accident. Every emoji you drop in is saved instantly, so you can edit with confidence and focus purely on your content. Using emojis strategically can transform a plain document into something that's not only more visually appealing, but also much more functional for readers. They act like visual landmarks that help people quickly identify important sections, headers, or action items. I find that using emojis consistently across your document, like always using a light bulb for ideas or a pin for notes, creates a habit readers can rely on, making your page even easier to navigate. A great next step after adding your emojis is to share your doc with a teammate or friend and ask them if the emojis help them find information faster. You might be surprised at how much of a difference these tiny icons make. And if you ever need a refresher, simply bookmark this video or save it to your favorites so you can come back anytime. Thanks for watching and happy building in Coda.